Hello student, welcome to this my YouTube channel Math O Tricks. In this channel we are learning here many concepts of maths, some examples. It is useful for your competitive exams and whatever little difficult concepts are there, it is easy to understand. So please share and subscribe this video. Now very simple concepts we are taking here, numbers. Here, you know that it is very easy. We learn from your small classes, your KG only, we studied the numbers. In our daily life also we are learning the numbers or we are using the numbers. The numbers are integral part of our life, very important and integral part is there. So it is used for counting purpose. If you see the numbers in our mind, it is coming, it is used for counting the purpose. Very simple, 1 2 3 4 5. It's having the arithmetic value. Arithmetic value here means we are using the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. We are using for that is called the arithmetic, used for representing the quantity. This represents the quantity we are using. Then counting numbers, we use the numbers to count different things or objects such as 1 2 3 4. If you will see this concept, it is very easy. In small classes you studied, but then also step by step in numbers many things are coming, many concepts are coming, that it is coming slowly one by one. In this video little introduction is there. Numbers, again in numbers, how it is, numbers, the number 0, then you know that this concept of number 0 plays an important role in mathematics. You know that it is used as placeholder in place value. In place value it is very important, and because of the 0 we'll understand the place value of that particular number. Now see here, number system chart. First we are studying here real number. This real numbers, okay. In the real numbers, again two numbers are there, rational number and irrational number. Rational number is denoted by Q, irrational number is denoted by Q bar. Rational number examples, suppose here 4 minus 3, 0.05, 3 upon 5, minus 2 upon, so on, like this many numbers are there. This is called rational number. Again we will study the definition. Now here irrational number, Q bar, root 2, root 3, root 5, minus root 5, these numbers are called irrational numbers. Now see rational number, that is the Q, the number of the form of P of Q, means numbers we are writing in the form of P and Q, where P and Q are integers. Again integers means what? Integers means minus or negative numbers, 0, and positive numbers are called integers. See again, minus P and Q are integers. In integers together means what? Negative number, 0 number and positive numbers are called integers. But here only integers will come, means negative number and positive. Q is not equal to 0. Q is not, see Q, P upon Q. Q is denominator. If we are taking denominator 0, then answer will come infinity, and further this is the answer, infinity. So you can't write, that will not come in the form of P upon Q. Our concept is the rational number, it is a form of P and Q. But if Q is 0, then it is coming the infinity answer, and it will not come in a rational number. So always one condition is there, Q not equal to 0 are called rational number. Now see example, 5 upon 12 is a rational number, and 5 upon 12, then 5 and 12 is integer, means is positive, means integer, and this 12 is not equal to 0, means according to definition this your example is satisfied. Then minus 8 upon 19, the minus 8 and positive 19 is an integer, and this is a minus 8 upon 19, together this form of P upon Q is a rational number, and minus 8 and 19 are integers, and 19 is not equal to 0. Okay, so now next, irrational number. Irrational number is denoted by Q bar, a number which when expressed in decimal form is expressible as non-terminating. Non-terminating means what? Here, when division is, if it is a form of P upon Q, and that number, when we are dividing, then there is a continuous number, remainder in division. Remainder is coming number, it is not coming 0. If it is coming 0, then division will stop and it will, your answer will get the terminating answer. Okay, now here non-repeating decimal is called an irrational number. Now non-terminating, I told, means continuous remainder is coming, 1 2 3 4 numbers are coming, so continuously that division is going on, so your answer is coming non-terminating, means you have to write whatever answer is there, dash dash will come. Then non-repeating means what? Some numbers or group of a numbers, it's repeating after some interval, that is non-repeating decimal. So it is called irrational number. You will understand here in example 1. Every non-terminating and non-repeating decimal is irrational. Now see, every non-terminating, now see here 0.101101110 again 1 dash dash like this is the irrational number. Means what? It is a non-terminating, continuously answers and numbers after division, continuously numbers are, there is a no end. Then this 0.53553 this dash dash means continuously number, there is a no end, remainder 0 is not coming, that means it is a irrational. Here third also 2 1 2 2 1 2 2 1 like this is also irrational. Then example 2, see example 2, example 1 we finished. Then example 2, the square of root of every non-perfect square is irrational. Square root of every non-perfect, if perfect square root is there, then this one is that one is coming in rational. But see, square root of every non-perfect square, so it is, see, root 2, it is a perfect square is not coming, it is coming in decimal points. If you apply division method for to finding the root 2, then it is clearly non-terminating and non-repeating, means continuously you are getting the numbers here, no end, so root 2 is irrational. Same way, see, root 2, root 3, then if you are taking root 4, then it is a perfect square, so it is not coming in this group. Have you understood? Okay. Then root 5, root 6, root 7, root 8, root 9. Root 9 means it is coming in perfect square. Okay, so it's a 3 perfect square. So, and what we studied here, see, square root of every non-perfect. So root 4, root 9 is a perfect square, so root 10 so these numbers are irrational number. Now example 3, the cube root of a non-perfect cubes are irrational. Cube root of, see, cube root of 2, cube root of 3, cube root of 4, cube root of 5 and cube root of 6, cube root of 7. If you are taking cube root of 8 3, it will come answer, so it is a perfect cube root, so this is not coming, means it is a non-perfect cubes root. Okay, cube root of 9 are all irrational numbers. Okay, then example 4, here the value of pi is 3.1416 dash, there is also no end. If you are doing division, then 0 is not, remainder 0 is not coming, other numbers are coming, so continuously division is going on, which is non-terminating and non-repeating. Pi is rational number, but see, note that pi is irrational while 22 upon 7 is rational number. Why this? Because 22 and 7 are integers and it is written into the form of p upon q, means 22 upon 7 and 7 is not equal to 0, so this is a rational number. And pi we studied that continue, if you are dividing continuously it is coming here numbers are coming, there is a no end, it is a non-terminating and non-repeating, so it is a irrational number. So please share and subscribe this video and study also. In this video, again next video, many more concepts I will take here. and new concepts we are studying, then in math subject you will understand better. Okay, thank you, and please share and subscribe this video.